Best Luxury Sports Cars for 2024, 2023 BMW M4. As the automotive industry gears up for the highly anticipated releases of 2024, the 2023 BMW M4 stands tall among the best luxury sports cars of the year. Renowned for its blend of exhilarating performance and opulent luxury, the M4 continues to set the standard for what a high-performance coupe should be, making it a top choice for discerning drivers. The 2023 BMW M4 arrives with a design that exudes athleticism and sophistication. Its sleek lines, aggressive stance, and distinctive BMW styling cues make a bold statement on the road, turning heads and commanding attention wherever it goes. From its iconic kidney grille to its muscular rear haunches, every detail is meticulously crafted to showcase the M4's performance-oriented nature. Under the hood, the 2023 M4 boasts a potent turbocharged engine, delivering exhilarating performance and dynamic acceleration that's sure to thrill drivers. With its rear-wheel drive configuration and advanced suspension system, the M4 offers precise handling and responsive steering, allowing drivers to tackle corners with confidence and precision. But it's not just about performance. The 2023 BMW M4 also impresses with its luxurious interior, featuring premium materials, ergonomic design, and a host of cutting-edge technology features. From the comfortable and supportive seats to the intuitive infotainment system and advanced driver assistance technologies, every detail is crafted to enhance the driving experience and ensure that occupants feel pampered and connected at all times. As one of the best luxury sports cars for 2024, the BMW M4 represents the pinnacle of automotive excellence, combining breathtaking performance with refined luxury in a package that's as exhilarating as it is elegant. Its sleek design, impressive performance, and uncompromising attention to detail ensure that it remains a top choice for drivers who demand the very best from their vehicles. In a market filled with contenders vying for attention, the 2023 BMW M4 stands out as a true icon, a symbol of German engineering prowess and automotive innovation. With its blend of luxury, performance, and style, it continues to capture the hearts and imaginations of drivers around the world, solidifying its place among the best luxury sports cars of 2024 and beyond.